G'day. There is a number above me here that I'd like you to focus on, and that is the growth rate of the company Microsoft from when it floated back in 1986 through to now. That is 365,000%. Now, of course, we are talking at all-time highs, but it's been at all-time highs for a long time. How does a company achieve such growth over the long term? Well, in this video, I'm going to explain. Microsoft is exceedingly well diversified. So you can see here, 40% is in cloud storage. There is Office down the bottom there, which is 22%. Then you have LinkedIn, you have Xbox and gaming, you have Bling, you have other business units that are all contributing, and they reinvest heavily. Let's go and have a look at these numbers. Here's the reinvestment numbers over the years, dating back to 2002. But let's look at last year. That is $29.5 billion that has been reinvested back into this business to improve their products and services over a long period of time. Let's go and check out the dividends and see what they look like. So there's two numbers I want you to focus on here. One is the one directly above me, 0.7. That is the dividend yield. But the other one is the bottom one, the payout ratio directly below me. That is 25%. That means that they are keeping 75% of the profits they make and only paying out 25 cents on the dollar, which means they're building the business, reinvesting capital like I showed you in the screen before. And along with that reinvestment, something else they do is acquisitions. So here just above me is the 276th acquisition they've made. So this is where they've physically gone out and bought a business that might have been a competitor to them that was up and coming and doing well. Now you can see at the top of this screen, you can see Activision Blizzard. Now that's a gaming production company that they bought for just under $70 billion. So many of these transactions are not small fry by a long shot, and they've been doing this all the way back to when they first floated. So a combination of research and development to make products better, acquisitions, which they do constantly, makes a huge difference. And this is how a company can grow by this huge amount. Now, as I said, it's pretty rich of me to pick a company like Microsoft and go all the way back to listing, but this happens time and time again. Possibly not 365%, but you don't need that much. You just need the odd company that you buy and they just return you 400% or 500, or the 10 bagger where it's 1,000% return. They're hard to find and you need to be in early, but this is what can happen if we invest into businesses over the very long term. Thanks for listening, and please remember, this is general advice only.